I know.
You can't stop looking.
I can't. It looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
It looks so good.
Look at that. It looks so good. Hey.
Couldn't be more happier.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
Look
You're
at you.
beautiful. I love it. I
Yay. You look so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Cool. What a journey.
It has been Dr. Gates. Thank you.
Oh my
Thank you.
God, I know. Put
Finally
some
get to
miles
eat
on
those
it.
nice tender steaks.
Yes, sir. Well, it's been a journey. We're going to be here to take care of you
Thank
the
you.
rest of the way.
I really
Of
mean
course.
it. Thank
Absolutely.
you so much.
Absolutely.
To you and the rest of your team.
They've been amazing. And so have you. So have you.
I couldn't be more comfortable working.
Wonderful. Well, hey, we're family for life now, okay? Well, we're here to take care of you.
I was very, very skeptical because I'm 66 and I've been going to dentist all my life. And now there's a little fear factor in there, but he did excellent work. Everybody here treats you as if you're maybe their mom or their sister or someone they really care about. They're good Christian people. This has been the best experience I've ever had going to a dentist. And it's a little bit hard to talk right now because they just now put in my beautiful teeth. See these right here? Oh man, now they're gonna do these and these and these. I will live here and get my whole mouth done. I'm so excited. You need to come. Whoever you are, you need to come. You will be happy and you will, he does what he says, so try it out.